Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answers program on chapter 3 of financial management. The direction is to the best answer. Question 1. The time value of money means dash. A. Money has equal value over time. B. Future money is worthy more than present value. C. Present value is worth more than future value. D. Money and time are unrelated. The answer is C. Present value is worth more than future value. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a reason for time preference for money? A. Uncertainty of cash flow. B. Inflation. C. Availability of investment opportunity. D. Fixed exchange rate. The answer for this question is the fixed exchange rate. Question number 3. Question 3. The required rate of return equals dash. A. Risk premium minus risk-free rate. B. Risk-free rate plus risk premium. C. Nominal rate times inflation rate. D. Real rate minus risk premium. The answer for this question is B. Risk-free rate plus risk premium. Question number 4. Simple interest is calculated on dash. A. Principal only. B. Interest only. C. Both principal and interest. D. None. The answer for this question is A. Principal only. Question number 5. Find the simple interest on bill 8,000 at 5% for 2 years. So interest which is equal to principal times interest rate times time for simple interest. So 8,000 times 0.05 rate times 2 years, which is equal to 800. So the answer is C. 800. Question number 6. If BIR 10,000 becomes BIR 12,000 in 4 years at simple interest, find the rate. Here the interest is 2,000 because the value at the end of the 4th year is 12,000 and the principal is 10,000. So here when we deduct the amount from the amount, the principal, we get the interest is 2,000. So rate which is equal to the interest divided by principal times the year, which is equal to 0.05%. So the answer is B. Question number 7. In a compound interest is calculated on dash. A. Principal only. B. Principal plus previous interest. C. Previous interest only. D. Original deposit only. The answer is B. Principal plus previous interest. Question number 8. If interest is compounded quarterly and the number of period per year is dash, the number of period per year is dash. So the answer for this is, since it is quarterly, the number of period is C4. Question number 9. Find the compound amount of BIR 10,000 at 8% compounded annually for 2 years. So to calculate this, we have to apply compound interest formula. So amount which is equal 10,000 times 1.08 square, which is equal to 11,664. The answer is B. Question number 10. Find the present value of BIR 5,000 due in 3 years at 10 compounded annually. So the present value for this is which is equal to the present value, find the present value of 5,000 due. So the present value which is equal to the amount divided by 1 plus the rate square. So which is equal to 5,000 divided by 1.1 square, which is equal to 3,755. The answer is B. Question number 11. A 12% nominal rate compounded quarterly has an effective rate of approximately dash. So here effective rate which is equal to, under the parenthesis, 1 plus interest, nominal interest divided by M, number of compounded period per year, close the parenthesis, and the power of M, number of compound period per year, and minus 1. As you can see, we have to insert the information from the statement, and the result will be 12.68%. Answer is D. Question number 12. If BIR 1,000 is invested at 10% compounded semi-annually for 3 years, find the amount. So the amount which is equal to present value times 1 plus the rate, the power of T times the rate. So amount which is equal to 1,000 times 1.05, the power of 6, which is equal to 1,314.1. The answer is B. Question number 30. An ordinary annuity means payment is dash: A at the beginning of period, B at the end of period, C randomly, D twice in one period. The answer is B at the end of the period. Question number 14. Find the future value of an ordinary annuity of 100 per quarter for 1 year at 4% compounded quarterly. The future value of an ordinary annuity, which is equal to payment made in each period or regular payment times, in the parenthesis, 1 plus R, close the parenthesis, the power of n minus 1, divide this 1 plus R, the power of n minus 1 by R. So the formula is like this. So amount which is equal to 100 into 1.01, the power of 4 minus 1 divided by 0.01, which is equal to 406.04. The answer is B. Question number 15. If quarterly deposit of 500 for 5 years growing to 11,000, which factor increased it most? A. Inflation. B. Interest compounding. C. Deposit frequency. D. Deposit amount. The answer is B. Interest compounding. Question number 16. To calculate BIR 50,000 in 5 years at 8%, how much should be deposited annually? The regular payment you made each period can be calculated by deriving a formula from the future value of an ordinary annuity from this formula. So we can get this one payment for each period, or regular payment, which is equal to future value times R divided by within bracket 1 plus R to the power of n minus 1. Then the result will be regular payment you made each period. Regular payment, which is equal to 50,000 times 0.08 divided by 1.08 the power of 5 minus 1, which is equal to 8,522.8. The answer is A. 8,522. I mean 23. Question number 17. A person deposits BIR 2,000 monthly at 7% for 4 years, then leave it for 6 years. What concept applies? A. Present value. B. Sinking fund. C. Compounded annuity continuation. D. Amortization. The answer for this question is C. Compounded annuity continuation. Question number 18. Find the present value of annuity of BIR 400 per month for 5 years at 12% compounded monthly. Present value of annuity, which is equal to regular payment per period, that means times 1 minus in the bracket 1 plus R to the power of minus n, divide this 1 minus in the bracket 1 plus R to the power of n by R. We will get the present value of annuity. To calculate this, we have to calculate 400 into 1 minus in bracket 1.01 the power of minus 60, close the bracket, and divided by 0.01, which is equal to 70,982. So the answer is A. Question number 19. In an amortized loan, each payment consists of dash: A. Interest only. B. Principal only. C. Principal plus and interest. Principal and interest. D. Service charge. The answer is C. Principal and interest. Question number 20. Between two investments, A. 15% compounded monthly, B. 50.2% compounded semi-annually, what is better? To calculate this, we have to calculate effective annual rate. So effective annual rate, which is equal to 1 plus nominal rate divided by number of compounded period per year, the power of number of compounded per year minus 1. So when we calculate this, we get effective annual rate for A is 16.08%. Effective rate for B is, which is equal to 15.78%. So the answer is A, because it is higher rate than B. So the answer is A. This is all about question and answer program on this chapter. Thank you viewers for attending this program.